What's up guys? So today I'm going to show you how to layer a kick drum. Now drum layering in general is very important, not only because it allows you to create your own unique sounding drums, but it also allows you to control your drum dynamics better within your mix. You may come across a kick that has a nice low end, but maybe perhaps the mid of the kick or the click of it doesn't sound good within the mix, or you might find a nice punchy kick that just lacks in the low end and EQ won't solve the problem. So drum layering would be your next best bet. Here's how you do it. So I have 3 kicks here that I know work well together. The first kick, I like only the low end. So what I'll do is filter it down somewhere between 250 and 300 hertz. The second kick, as you can hear, is already clashing with the first. I like the mid body. So what I would do is just kind of give it a low cut until I feel like the low end of the first kick has enough room to breathe. The third kick, I purely just like the click of it. So I'd probably filter it all the way up until maybe about 2500 kilohertz. It's as simple as that. The cool thing about this technique as well is that you can easily swap out each kick for different sounds if you find that one element of the kick is not working for you.